Shandong Huanke Plastic Company Limited, established in 2014, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, is a modern production enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales. Huanke specializes in the production of large plastic pallet, special-shaped plastic pallet, storage pads, folding logistics boxes. It covers single-sided and double-sided pallet. Huanke Production Workshop covers an area of 8,000 square meters, with a number of large-scale injection molding equipment. Precision manufacturing, science and technology first. Modular plastic pallet is a patented product independently developed by Huanke. Huanke holds a number of domestic and international invention patents, including 2 domestic invention patents, 1 Japanese patent, and 4 new design patents. Huanke Modular Plastic Pallet has passed the International PCT certification. Huanke Modular Plastic Pallet won the 3rd grade Invention Prize of China Logistics Association. Huanke Pallet fills many gaps in the pallet industry and lead a new direction of plastic pallet industry. Shandong Huanke is the founder of Modular Plastic Pallet, member of China Logistics Federation and China Unit Logistics Strategic Alliance. Modular plastic pallets are widely used in cargo handling, warehousing, automated shelves, and many other aspects. They are favored by customers in chemical industry, feed, textile, building materials, photovoltaic, machinery manufacturing, and other fields. Huanke modular plastic pallets have the following advantages and features. 1. Low price. Since thousands of sizes can be formed without developing a mold, the price advantage is very obvious. 2. The damage can be repaired and replaced. It solves the shortcoming of traditional plastic pallet that a small damage and scrap would destroy a whole pallet. Pallet service life is extended. It also reduces the customer's use cost. 3. Customers can customize the ideal pallet in any size and style within 0.5 to 3 meters. 4. High strength and flexibility. Whether falling, smashing, bumping, or loading capacity, Huanke pallet exceeds the standard requirements. To ensure the quality of our pallet, we have conducted 7 tests, including anti-drop, anti-collision, load-bearing, and shelf loading. Test 1. Anti-drop test. The size of the pallet is 1.3 meters and the weight is 25 kilograms. At a height of 3 meters, the same pallet has been dropped 3 times. Both pallet block and protection rim are not damaged. Test 2. Anti-collision test. We place 2 tons of goods on the pallet. Forklift pushed the pallet forward by using the fork to push the pallet directly. The rim, corners, and the column seat that the fork pushed are all intact. Test 3. Dynamic loading test. We tested the dynamic load of 2 tons and 2.5 tons respectively. The pallet is basically not deformed or bent. It can meet or even exceeds the standard requirements. Test 4. Static loading stacking test. The pallets are stacked 4 layers. Each pallet is 2 tons, and the total load is 8 tons. No matter the bottom pallet or the middle pallet are not deformed or bent. They are even up to the standard of metal pallets. Test 5. Shelf loading test. We load the pallet carrying 2 tons of goods on the shelf for 30 days. The deflection of the pallet is basically unchanged. Our pallet greatly exceeds similar pallets on both the carrying weight and the number of days under pressure. Test 6. Destructive test. We strike the surface of our pallet vigorously with a hammer. The pallet is not broken. Test 7. Connection strength test. In order to test the connection strength, we use a pallet with a length of 2 meters. We load the cargo on both ends of the pallet and leave the middle vacant, so that the two ends of the pallet are stressed. The pallet is not bent and the connection is intact. It only took 6 years for Huanke Pallet to be successfully developed and favored all over the world. It makes us more convinced of the bright future of modular plastic pallets. Up to now, large enterprises such as China National Building Material Group, COFCO, China Food and Strategic Reserves Administration, CNOOC, Siemens, Yunnan Energy New Materials Group, Truly Group, Shandong High Mile Group, etc., are using our products in batches. It helps these enterprises save energy and reduce costs, environmental protection, and carbon reduction. Modular pallets have also been sold to more than 30 countries and regions, such as the United States, Japan, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. Huanke Plastic has always been committed to the corporate tenet of actions speak louder than words. Quality retains customers, and actively produces high-quality products for customers. In line with the principle of reassuring customers, the policy of try first before buying is implemented to completely eliminate customers' worries. Huanke Plastic will sincerely cooperate with new and old customers to create a win-win situation and create a better future.